Good afternoon or magandang hapon. We're here outside the patio and it's a nice Monday afternoon or hapon, and it's the last day of June. Also, June is the month that school starts in the Philippines. So, even though it's the last day of the month, I was thinking of making a video about school related words such as Tagalog words for school, classes, teachers, library, and such. So we're going to do that today. All the words on the video are gonna be listed down below on the about section, so you could go ahead and check on that and say the words with me. Our first word is going to be school, and school is paaralan. 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 Next we have class. Class is klase. Klase. And we have classroom or silid-aralan. Silid-aralan. And we have playground. Playground is palaruan. 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 Next we have the principal, and that is punong guro. Punong guro. Punong guro. And a teacher, we call them guro or teacher. Teacher or guro. And library is silid-aklatan. Silid-aklatan, or just say aklatan. Aklatan. And next word we have chair or silya. We call it silya or upuan. Our next word is going to be chair. Chair or silya or upuan. Chair is silya or upuan. And I just remember back then we have about 40 or 50 chairs in a classroom, and I think when I was in my 4th or 3rd year, we're about 50 plus students or estudiante in a class, and we are often arranged alphabetically, so I get to sit in front of the class or klase, and during quizzes or test is pagsusulit. 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 And when we have quizzes or oral recitations in front of the blackboard or pizarra, more often than not, I get to do it on the first day of the quiz or of the test or pagsusulit, because I'm sitting in the front and my last name starts in letter A. And blackboard is pizarra, test is pagsusulit, and eraser is pambura. 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 Pencil is lapis. Lapis. And paper is papel. 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 And ball pen or pen is also ball pen. It differs in the spelling because we spell it as B-O-L-P-E-N, ball pen. And I think that's all my word for today. Uniform. One more word is uniform. Since back then we're using uniforms or uniforme. Uniforme. So that's it. Let's do a quick review. We have school. That's paaralan. Paaralan. We have playground, and that's palaruan. We have class or klase. Classroom is silid-aralan. We have principal or punong guro. Punong guro. And teacher, teacher or guro. And we often address them mom or sir. Mom or sir. And we have library or silid-aklatan or aklatan. Chair is upuan or silya. And pencil, lapis. Ball pen, we also call it ball pen, but just the spelling, B-O-L-P-E-N. And paper is papel. Eraser, pambura. And blackboard is pizarra. And last word, test, is pagsusulit. That's it. Bye-bye.